at the club, baby.
What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching another video here with me. As you probably already know, title, there's gonna be another video for Lauren, E92. So in today's video, I'll be doing the stencil on the intercooler. I'll also be doing I'll be pulling out the rear inlet because I don't know if it got smashed during the accident or whatever. I've got them on order, but they haven't come yet. So as of right now, I have lowered the engine down as much as possible. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out that catch can, pull out this one, which we'll call these hoses. As you see, it's already loose. Disconnect this line because this line goes right in front. I don't want anything in the way while I'm trying to do it. Probably move these back a little bit, but all in an effort to get that one out. I have to go down bottom to get the clamp that's on the inlet of the turbo, and then I should be able to pull it right back over. I'm not going to install it today because I don't have them yet. I ordered them from BRSF, and you know, that's about it. What else I have done is I cut open the front for the intercooler. Hopefully this will be enough. I may have to cut more. I don't remember how much I cut in the last time. I'll probably have to refer to my own video. But yeah, so that's cut up. Hopefully it should be dropping in. And then I'll show you guys when I mock up the whole assembly that goes right here. The fan, condenser, radiator, the whole housing and everything like that. So without further ado, let's get to the inlet. Okay, so I've got everything cleared up over here. This is pretty loose now. I've got the zip tied out of the way. Good thing about when you have the subframe gone, you can drop the engine down and it makes it that much easier to pull out the inlet from the rear. So now what I'm going to do is go down bottom and get the clamp that's down there, and then once I get that clamp, then I should be able to just yank this thing right out. Since it's silicone, it bends easy, so hopefully it'll be easy to come out, and then we'll see if there's any damage to it or anything like that. So let's get it. Okay, so while I have this out, because I pulled this charge pipe out to go ahead and lower the engine, I might as well change my map sensor. Map sensor I got is the upgraded one, which is for the so you can raise the boost on it. So I might as well do that while it's out. I was gonna make a separate video, but no. So 2 screws, pull this one out. Here's the new one. Oh, not coming out. So normally it'll say the 3.5 like right on here, but it doesn't say that. So making sure these aren't the same exact part numbers, and if they didn't dupe me. But no, it doesn't look like it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that these pins are right. Pins are correct, and then I'll slide this in now. So originally you'd have to swap the pins around, but if you can't see it, I'll try to get a picture of it to put on the screen. The dowel is flipped around, so all you have to do is turn it over and it'll plug right in. So mine is good. I'll show you. I'll try to get a picture of it and put it on the screen so you guys can see it. But yeah, so this is the new one. Always take a little bit of grease, put on your seal, rub it in. Good. Wipe my hands off. So I put a little grease on the seal. Work it in. Boom. That sounded good. Alright, so let me go try to mock up the condenser, radiator, fan, and everything. Show you guys how that's gonna look. But since the engine is dropped, I won't be able to do that right now. So let me go show you that now. Okay, engine is dropped down, so certain stuff won't line up, like the hoses down bottom, because like I said, the engine dropped down. I did pull out the the rear inlet. So this is how it's gonna sit. These sit right here in these grooves. Made sure that everything was lined up properly. These sit right here. And then once I put it on, I'll screw down the top piece in here, and this will hold the radiator support. The radiator support will hold this all in, or whatever, once I bolt everything up. But we've got our power steering cooler, which is that one down there. We've got our transmission cooler down there, condenser fan. Everything looks so good, so brand new. Condensers over here, because I need my AC for this car. Wasn't too sure about this little gap right here, but we'll see what happens with that. So other than that, everything is looking good. That's how it's gonna sit, and then I'll slap the support right on, and it'll all be bolted up already, so I'll be good to go. Alright, so that's gonna be the end of this video. Quick short video. We've got everything mocked up. We know exactly where everything's going. The inlets will be coming in this week, and then I'll be good on that. So yeah, we'll be putting everything together soon enough. So if you haven't done so, please be sure to like, subscribe, comment, turn on notifications, and I'll catch you guys in the next Resurrection video of E92. Peace.